Ozark Mountain Backcountry. I decided to go out and ride through the town today. We have a storm, a winter storm moving in. It's supposed to drop about 13 inches of snow. We've got about 3 inches so far, I'd say. Around here we don't get a lot. We don't get a lot of storms that drop 13 inches of snow, so it's unusual. We do get a lot of ice, but a foot of snow is a lot of snow for us. I thought I'd drive around town, go out to the countryside for a minute and get back. It's about 3 degrees outside, so I won't be out for long. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll try to get out tomorrow and do the same thing. I have a license that allows me to drive on the city streets. If you're within 3 miles of your home, you can drive on the highways in the times of daylight. At nighttime, if you have the appropriate equipment, lights. I also have a county sticker which allows me to ride on the county roads. I do have the side-by-side and four-wheel drive. Still learning how to drive the side-by-side in different conditions, and how it feels and how it acts. I oversteered a little bit there. It gripped a lot more than I thought it would. It's got really good grip. It's running on carnivores, the carnivore 31s that come with it, but it really gripped really well. I was surprised by it. got iced over, and I couldn't see them. I had to take them off and clean them so I could see. You can see someone had been up doing donuts in a side-by-side, it looks like. Those are not me, at least yet. Again, I'm very surprised by just how well these carnivores grip in the snow. They slip, I mean, not at all. They hold really good. This machine does really good in the snow. It was really surprising just how well it rode in these conditions. I finally had to take my glasses completely off. They were completely iced over and I couldn't get them clean, so I had to set them off and drive without them. And the snow is coming down, and because we don't have our windshield on yet, it's just hitting me in the eyes. It's actually very difficult to drive. try to do it again. Until then, be safe. We'll talk to you later.